Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to make a simple dimple drawing for my Chinu Minus. So what you're supposed to do is, see, I'll draw it directly with sketch pen. Only the first step, where you are supposed to draw one full circle. Okay, so this full circle, अभी हम लोगों को क्या करना है, ये जो circle है उसका हमको सिर्फ नीचे का हिस्सा लेने का है. That is why I said let me do it with my pencil first. Okay, now it is a full circle. Now you have to cut it into half and this upper part has to be उड़ा उड़. Okay, तो हमको ये इतना step करने का. इसके बाद you take one line here, one line here, then you close it. Okay, after that again you make a big guchड़ा up and you join it like that. Okay, उसके बाद what you will do is just take a chutia here. Now your next step is, you all know how to write V, correct? So you're going to write V in a little different pattern. मतलब it will not be pointed but it will be little टेढ़ा मेढ़ा V. उसके बाद वापस से ऐसा ऐसा, इधर भी wap up wap up wap up wap up. Okay, this much is clear. Now your T factor falls here, correct? So this is your T factor. Now what we are going to do, first we will make a big cute nose. Okay, we'll make a Nargundu inside and we are going to color this part completely black. Okay, after doing that what we are going to do is make a circle around your nose. Okay, we are going to make a circle around the nose, make a cute little smile. Okay, and then just above the nose, not here on the bheja, okay, just above the nose, here you are going to make one undo and two nargundus, one undo and two nargundus. Okay, अभी ये नारगुंडू के बाहर का जो एरिया है उसको हमको ब्लैक कर देने का है, so we'll color it black. Okay, so this is done. Now you make the eyelashes. If you all are girls, if you all are boys, you all need not make eyelashes. Okay, then you all can make eyebrows as well, and if you all want, you all can give a silai here. So this is just a small dash silai. Okay, this is what we have done. This is the face of the teddy bear. Now your next step is, see, from here and from here. Okay, from the face ka two side, you go out, you go out, you come down, you come down, you come in, then you go down again and you go down again. Okay, so this is like a t-shirt what he's worn. After that you're going to write two U's. तो हम लोगों ने ये बना दिया एक U and ये बना दिया दूसरा U. Now the U has to be exactly the same size from below. Okay, after that you will put a button. So the button has two nargundus, so we are just going to put that two nargundus here. Now what we are going to do is cancel this here, make a slant here and make a slant here. You know, there was a kid who told me just 1 or 2 days before, okay, I can do drawings but I cannot do drawings on my own without steps. So now since I'm teaching you all like that, so you all will know how the things are done. Now this part is done. Okay, now our next part is this teddy bear or whatever he is holding a pencil. So you have to draw a pencil, but a big fat pencil. Okay, you're supposed to draw a pencil. Now this will be the white portion and this will be the back portion. Now this will be this sharpened end and we're just going to point in our pencil a little bit. Okay, so this is a pencil. Okay, this pencil, and here we are going to draw a brush. So a brush very near to the hand. Okay, not very far, because if you all make it far, your steps, it will not be difficult but still there will be a mistake in the steps. So you just have to cancel this and then you just have to make a big brush. Okay, so we have made a brush. Now your next step. Now see, this is a little far, so what we can do is we can just make a number 11 here first. Now just concentrate. From here you will jump up, come inside, and from here you will go out like that. Is that clear? उसके बाद हमको क्या करने का है, we just have to draw 1 2 3. Now see, he is holding the pencil, correct? The first step is to make the pencil. Unless and until you don't make the pencil, this step will not go right. Now abhi isme. Now isme, since it is close, how will we go? From here we go up, we take a turn, we come down. Okay, from here you go out, and then just above here you are supposed to write 1, 2, 3. Done. So isn't this easy? This drawing was super duper easy, and this is for my Chinuminus. That is why I did it directly with my sketch pen, because even I was so confident about the drawing. Now we can quickly color. If you all want, you all can put shades. If you all don't want, don't put shades. That is completely up to you, whether you all want to put shades or whether you all don't want to put shades. Now you know what? I decided in my bheja that I'm going to put shades of orange and brown. So what am I doing is, ये इधर हमने थोड़ा सा brown किया. You can shade if you don't want. Please don't shade. Do it nicely. You can color it just nicely. Okay. So this is a little shading which I am doing. Now I take my orange and start doing. No, this orange is not good. This company I don't like. So I take the orange here and I start doing gully, 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 gully. Come till here. You know, they should smudge well. If they don't smudge well, it is your duty, and you can leave a little touchki white and put a little bit of yellow inside. So you will have 3 shades here. Now you can take your finger or you can take your earbud and you can smudge, because sometimes brown and orange don't smudge or they don't gel well. कभी कभी उन लोग के अंदर बहुत अच्छी दोस्ती हो जाती है तो they really gel well, और कभी कभी उन लोग को एक दूसरे के ऊपर खुन्नस आ जाती है तो वो they don't gel well. So it all depends. So I have done brown, orange and yellow shading. Now for the lower part, I am planning to do light blue with my cerulean blue. Okay. So I have taken my cerulean blue. I am doing a little bit of shading so that it looks a little interesting. Otherwise है ना एकदम डली डली लग जाएगा. Now all my colors are getting vanished. So this is the way. Okay. Now I am taking my light blue and leaving a touchki of white again. Now this white we are not going to do anything, but we are just going to smudge it and make this white more smaller with our finger. Now the skin part. Now the skin part can be your choice colors, children, because the teddy is your choice. So what am I going to do is I'm going to use my baby pink and I think so let me use this grey green color. No, let me use the salmon pink color. Let me use the salmon pink. I think so it will look pretty on the teddy. I want it all bright, you know. I don't want it any dull. I don't want a dull color. So I'm just using it. I think so this is flush tint. All the names have vanished, so I really don't know, but it is flush tint, of course. इतना तो पता चल जाता है मेरे को. Now I'm taking my baby pink for the inner part. No shading at all. Okay, inner part is baby green, baby pink. Now it might look a little odd, but odds are always beautiful in coloring. You know, when you wear a odd fluorescent or ekdam bright color, it suits someone and it looks very bad on few people. But painting, the more, you know, more jazzy you make the painting, the more beautiful it turns out to be. Do you agree with me or no? The more jazzy the painting, the more beautiful it starts looking, and that's a fact. So I'm just using this. Now see, just for the skin, I'm just putting a blush on here with my baby pink. I'm just putting a blush on here because mine is a girl. I'm just putting a little blush on, and then I use my normal skin color. Okay, this is also one sort of shading which you all can use. And I'm going to put a little shadow also on the face so that it looks more interesting. So even a simple drawing can be wonderfully done, only if you all want to make it wonderful. If you all don't want to make it wonderful, then nothing can on earth can make it wonderful, correct? Now all the things which are coming on my way, मतलब the black stripes पे हम लोग का जो color हो गया है, that everything can be redone with your blacks. So never ever mind it. Now I'm taking my orange, children, just doing a little orange just below the hat to show the shadow. Okay, again I use my skin color and just to gully so that it spreads well and only little can be seen. Now just wipe your hands clean and just toggle your fingers on. Bas, and it's done. Now the hand will be simple skin color, children, simply skin color. This is his bushat. So the bushat is just like that. Bushat is nothing but the shirt. Use bright colors to do this because bright colors will really look pretty. And it's such an easy peasy drawing. Correct? ये हो गया. Now you can take any bright color. Which color? Crocodile. Which color should I take? I think so. This is the ultramarine blue in my hand, and I'm going to use this ultramarine blue with my orange. Okay, so what I do just to match with the hat, I'm just making the inside t-shirt orange with no shading at all because I'm going to scrape a bit. Now to do the scraping, I have not colored any color below. Have you noticed that? Otherwise we usually color, एक कलर किया उसके ऊपर दूसरा कोट मारा, उसके ऊपर हम लोग कलरिंग करते हैं. But here I am not using any coat. I show you how it is to be done. If you have a scraper, fine. If you have your nails, fine. No issues. Try and use circular movements, children. Make the borders first. See, I do this. I make the borders first. Correct? I make my borders and then I use the circular movements. Guli ka ka guli ka. And then again I daba ke ghasit ke I do my coloring. Now, if you have a scraper, I don't know whether my scraper will work. You just have to mix. For me, like I am not very comfortable with my scraper. See, I do make mistakes. So this is your rubber, your color. I have a little nakhun. So what I'm going to do is just scrape few lines inside here. Just scrape few lines. This is a t-shirt pattern, and then oh, my nakhun is having three cuts. So I just have to use it properly. If any mistakes happen, you can just recolor it and it will happen. Now I have my ultramarine blue, children, for this part. Leave the button white and you can use your ultramarine blue here. If you don't have your ultramarine blue, children, this is the jumper which he is wearing. I think so it's called jumper. क्या कुछ और बोलते हैं, मैं तो भूल जाती हूँ. नहीं, it's called the jumpsuit. Correct, jumper. It's the whipped dress. So leave the button and just make this nicely. You can just dust it. Okay, now we have to color the lower part. If you are interested in writing the name, I'll show you how it is to be done. You take your white color, just over here in the center, you just have to ragdo the little white. I'll show you how it is to be done. Now this is a scraping part. Then you use your ultramarine blue as you all are using. पूरा उसको एकदम चंगी तरीके से ब्लू कर देना है. Now you just have to fill. Yes, this portion is a little light, but then still it will look pretty. Don't you worry. Oh, I broke. So घसीट के दबा के घसीट के. So this is looking like shading. अभी हम लोग को इसके अंदर स्क्रैपिंग करनी है. तो स्क्रैपिंग के लिए now you can take your scraper. If you have the Joker scraper, you can use this part, you can use this part, you can use any part whatever is comfortable to you. So I'm using this. So you just can scrape your name, T-A-N-U, Thanu. So you can scrape your name and write your name. अभी पुढे काय केलं? We took a yellow color. See, such small colors. But see, listen children, if you all follow me completely. Don't ever force your dad and mom to get things for you. अरे छोटा हो गया नया चाहिए. No, it is wrong. First use it completely. After you use it completely, then you can ask. See, even I use my colors completely. Now I'm using white color here, children, because this color is usually light. Okay, after that गंदे वाले brown का छोटा वाला भाई, the yellow gray color for the brush tip. Okay, and I'm going to use a little bit of my गंदे वाला brown too, just to make few bristles here and there. Okay, ये गंदे वाला brown कर दिया इसके ऊपर. And then again you can scrape to show few ऐसा. And then again you can scrape and smudge it. थोड़ा रखने का, थोड़ा छोड़ देने का. So it starts looking prettier. Okay, so this is done. Now the pencil को let's make it a little fluorescent and bright. You know, I like bright colors, so you can use fluorescent pink if you are having. If you are not having, you can use red color. Red is also a bright color. You all can use the Germany wala orange, that is the germanium. You all can use scarlet. You all can use vermilion. All these colors are really beautiful. So this is a choice. अभी नीचे की पेंसिल का इधर भी मैं ऐसा ही कर देती है. So I'm using fluorescent color, and you can use skin color for the top. Okay. Now the background. Yes, the background is really important here, because unless and until you don't do your background, the actual teddy is ready. So what we are doing is we are taking a deep color here just to do the shandy. Okay. Now it depends. You all can make checks. See how to make checks. So standing lines. Now this is a simple background which we are doing, but we are still making it a little interesting by doing something little differently. What are we doing? We are just coloring it, but we are coloring it in a little different way, correct? So we are just making checks, Chinese checkers ka checks. Now before you start coloring, इसमें बहुत सारे बच्चे बहुत मिस्टेक करते हैं. ओ मैंने इच कर दी. It's okay. Here, and this is the last. See, it happens when you do it. Now first you will mark your colors. इस पे ग्रीन किया, एक छोड़ा, इस पे ग्रीन किया, ये छोड़ा, इस पे ग्रीन किया, ये छोड़ा. तो इस पे ग्रीन आएगा, इस पे ग्रीन आएगा, इस पे ग्रीन आएगा, इस पे ग्रीन आएगा, ये छोड़ा, इस पे ग्रीन आएगा, इस पे ग्रीन आएगा. फर्स्ट मार्क. इस पे नहीं आएगा. देन इस पे आएगा, इस पे नहीं आएगा, इस पे आएगा, इस पे नहीं आएगा, इस पे आएगा, इस पे आएगा, इस पे आएगा. ठीक है. So I've already marked. Now I'm not going to make any mistakes. So we can start. So this is interesting. You know, you should always follow some nice pattern to do. Once you follow a nice pattern, everything starts looking good. Now I'll just show you the middle color which I'm going to use. I'm not going to use any jazzy color here. I'll just show it to you. So this first line I'm coloring. This is my Popatia green, children, which I have used. Popatia green is nothing but light green color. Okay. Now the children keep on asking, what is Popatia green? What is Rani pink? that is what is काले नहीं गंदे वाले brown का छोटा वाला भाई. This is all my other. Okay, now I'll show you which color. I'm taking my leaf green color. See, leaf green color. You can take any two colors. Now I'm just making this check with this. Understood? So this will be my checks. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to off my video and make the entire checks, because this is going to take a little time, and I'm coming back to you all. Okay children, now is this clear? What I have done is just a checkers behind with light green and dark green ka shading to make the wonderful background. So you can make a simple drawing and do a good background to it, and it really looks nice. Now what am I going to do is I'm just going to reborder everything. That means I'm going to go do a nice makeup for this chap, and then I'm going to post it on Canvas and I mean to say on my YouTube channel, and you make it and post it on Canvas and Scissor. Please, I die to see your arts. Okay children, so I'll be uploading the certificates tonight, and I'll be making one, if possible, a video. I have many children lined up, so it really takes a little time. Be patient with me, and I will do it for everyone. Okay, so bye till then. Enjoy your day, enjoy your night whenever you see my video. Bye bye.